Hi everybody. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time. There are several reasons why you should start investing as soon as possible. Compound interest. Investing allows your money to grow at a faster rate than simply saving it. This is because of compound interest, which means that the interest earned on your investment is added to the principal and then earns interest on itself. Inflation protection. Investing also helps protect your money from inflation, which is a gradual decrease in purchasing power of money over time. By investing your money, you can earn a return that is higher than the rate of inflation, which means your money will be worth more in the future. Retirement planning. Investment is also an important aspect of retirement planning. By starting to invest early, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and have larger nest egg when you retire. Diversification. Investing in variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can help diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. This is because different types of assets perform differently with different market conditions. Potential for high returns. Investing in the stock market, for example, has the potential to provide higher returns than other forms of investment over the long term. Overall, investing is an important step in achieving financial security and growing your wealth over time. It is never too early to start. The earlier you start, the better. The power of compound interest is greater. However, it's important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, and it's always important to do your research, understand the risks, and to diversify your investments. Investing can be fun and easy way to grow your money over time, but it's also important to be patient and disciplined and not let emotion drive your investment decisions. And don't forget, economy can be crazy.